In this video, I'm going to show you how to update rows in a table using Postgres in N8n step by step so you can quickly make changes to your database without guessing your way through the workflow. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more N8n automation guides just like this. Let's get into it. First, open the workflow you want inside N8n. This is the workflow where you want to add or edit the database update step. Once your workflow is open, go to the Nodes panel. The Nodes panel is where you can search for and add new actions to your automation. From there, choose Postgres. This will add the Postgres node to your workflow so you can connect to your database. After that, choose Update Rows in a table. This is the specific operation that lets you modify existing records instead of creating new ones. Next, choose the credential you want. This tells N8n which Postgres database connection to use, so make sure you select the right account or save credentials for the database you want to update. Once the credential is selected, move on to configuring what to update. Here you'll define the table, the fields, and the values you want to change. Be sure to map the correct data so the right rows are updated with the right information. If you are using conditions or filters, double check them carefully so you only update the rows you actually intend to change. That's really all there is to it. Open the workflow, add the Postgres node, select Update Rows in a table, choose your credential, and configure the update details. If this helped, please like the video and subscribe for more quick tutorials on N8n and Postgres. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.